This is Michael Orl, MobileBurn.com. Today we're going to show you the new Google Music application for Android. You can see we have a tabbed view. Kind of works somewhat like how the Android tablets work. You can just go from tab to tab here. You can also swipe. Go into landscape mode. And while we don't have a cool view of artists, some of the other modes do. You can see here's the album view. You can go through and scroll through all the albums loaded onto the device. Tap through to one. You can also switch to artist view, which is still kind of plain. And I can switch over to songs as well. And then the more interesting one is recent here. Looks very much like the view you get on Android Honeycomb tablets, RenderScript type 3D view. There's a little icon up here in the corner. That's the currently playing song. You tap on the screen and bring up some additional controls you can see for repeating and shuffling. You can also just do that from the menu. Go back to portrait mode so you can see it. Tap the upper left hand corner to get back to the main screen. If I go to album view, you also notice that as I tap one of the albums, and I can get some options for playing it, adding to a playlist, shopping, and searching. Also notice the backgrounds change as I select an album based on the colors used in the album. It's a cool effect. Now I have had this application crash on me once already, but I'm just starting to play with it a bit now, so I really don't have too much experience with it. Can drop out to the home screen and see we can still get to it in the notification area. It says the name of the song, the name of the album, followed by the name of the band. And tap to get back to it. Do a quick search. You can see the artists come up automatically. And you have the controls right down the bottom. Much better looking music player than the one that's been with Android for quite some time now. So there you have it, a very quick look at the new Android music player from Google. I haven't been able to find an invitation to Google Music yet to test out the online service, but I'll do that once I get a hold of one. This is Michael Orl for MobileBurn.com.